Components are Arduino RTC module, male to female jumper wire. So now let's see the connection. So this is our RTC module. So we are going to connect ground, VCC, STA and SCL. So the ground and VCC is going to connect to the Arduino of ground and 5 volt. So the SDA is going to connect analog A4 and SCL is going to connect A5. So the connection is, we are connected ground to the ground, VCC to the 5 volt, SDA to the A4, SCL to the A5. So now we will upload the program. So now we will upload this program. So once the program is uploaded, so you need to change a band to 115200. Then only it will work. So this is day of week, date and time. If you want to change the day, date and time, so this is the code for changing date, date and time. For example, we will assume it is a Monday, and compulsory you should write in capital letters. The time is 3:50 and the date is 13 December. So once we have changed day, date and time, we will re-upload this program to the Arduino. Once the program is uploaded, so as you can see, the day, date and time has been changed. So once the program is uploaded, there is the last thing you need to do is, this is the code for the day and date and time. How many times you will reopen the serial monitor, it will show the same day and date and time which has been uploaded in the code. So this should not be happen. We'll make this comment by adding this to slash in front of. So once I will upload this program, so as you can see, it is uploading. Uploaded, done. Serial monitor. Yeah. The time will be continued where it will be left at last. So for example, the time is 3:51, accurate 3:51. So the time will start from 3:57, 3:50. What's the perfect time? It will start from there.
We can use this RTC module in any project where we have to display date, day and time.